I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Kiss you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss. Welcome back to another Before You Buy. And in today's video, we're doing another Parfums de Marly fragrance. And it's hyped up. Okay, it's hyped up, it's piped up. Okay, this has a lot of love and hate in the fragrance community. Now, I never understand why people be hating the fragrance, especially this. That's, oops. The bottle says surprise. Let me show y'all like the name. Yeah, I got an official sample. You know what that means? Didn't cost me anything to do this review. Y'all can find this sample at Saks Fifth. Saks Fifth, the lady was very, very reluctant not to give me this, but a little persuasion, and I got it. Okay, so this is called Althaïr. Sounds like it could be like a Greek god or something, which it probably is, because you know a lot of the Parfums de Marly's fragrances always kind of sound like a Greek god. All right, this fragrance is very sweet. Okay, it's very sweet. It's unisex. I straight out the gate already like this fragrance. Okay, if y'all like fragrances like It's All the Most Wanted, then you will love this fragrance. If you like fragrances like Invictus Victory Elixir, then you will like this fragrance. If you like Lamar Elixir, then you will like this fragrance. Okay, if you like anything sweet, spicy, and vanilla, you'll like it. Okay, now check out these notes right here. We have cinnamon, cardamom, orange blossom, bergamot, herb, and vanilla. Which, what is the difference from vanilla and bourbon vanilla? We're gonna find that out. We have some of that musk, that ambroxan here. This is a real good layered fragrance. It's blended well. I like it. I like it a lot. And one thing I can say, it doesn't last 2 to 3 hours like some fresh fragrances. Okay, Parfums de Marly took their time when they made this, and I'm liking it. I like what y'all did with this fragrance. Now, I've sprayed it on my wrist. Let me just smell it live for you guys, just so I can like just walk y'all through the complexities, the complex ingredients in this fragrance. Oh yeah. It's just smelling like a like it's not caramel, but it has like this caramel feel. It smells a little Coca-Cola. It smells like a Coca-Cola caramel, because it has like this little soda pop-esque smell. Oh man, that smells great. It smells great. I'm looking around to see what fragrance it just it's one of them vanilla bombs. It's a vanilla fragrance. It's a vanilla sexy fragrance. It's a fragrance that I don't have to sit here and do a really long review on it. It smells great and it's good. Let me tell you how long it lasts. It's gonna last you about like 8 to 10 hours. Okay, so it does last a long time. It's a little overpriced. Okay, $250 for this fragrance. That's a lot. So I would recommend y'all just to wait for it to hit Joma Shop and probably pay $150 for it. But this fragrance been out for a while, so it might already be on Joma Shop. So go on jomashops.com to check out this fragrance. The sillage is just okay. You know what I mean? Like, for something that smells like this, you'll think it'd be projecting heavy, but they didn't add that much musk in there. Like, the base notes in this fragrance is not carrying it over. You know what I mean? To project heavy. So you're not gonna get a lot of projection, but when a girl come up to you and she's laying on your body and she's smelling you, she's gonna smell this fragrance. Okay, it smells great. I really, really, really like this. Okay, I will wear this in the fall and winter time. Wear this with like a brown-ish color, basically like an outfit I got on right now. You see how I got that material? You know what I mean? With the little fluff. You know what I mean? You can kind of wear fur with this fragrance. It just looked like you're supposed to wear furry with it, but I really like the scent. I think y'all guys should stop what y'all doing and go get that, okay? It smells really good. It's for sure about to be in my collection as soon as I pick up Parfums de Marly's cologne. This also reminds me of like a Killian fragrance. This can easily pass for a Killian fragrance. Y'all know how Killian be with them sweet apple bourbon smells and vanilla. This smells like a Killian, not Parfums de Marly, but this is great. I will rate this fragrance at 8.5 out of 10. I like it. Got my seal of approval. Go get it. It's great. Big Boss said it right here. I got the sample. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'm out.